scenario describes a situation where you are being coerced and tortured, with a recording being made to selectively capture only certain parts that benefit your tormentors. This is a severe criminal act with multiple legal and ethical violations. Here's a breakdown of what happens in this situation. 1. The torture and coercion. The core of this situation is the illegal and inhumane act of torture. Under both international and domestic law, torture is strictly prohibited. Any confession, statement, or action you make under duress is considered null and void. The fact that you are being forced to talk while being harmed makes any recording of your statements inadmissible in court. 2. The manipulated evidence. The perpetrators are deliberately creating a biased and misleading tape by only keeping small parts that help them. This is a classic example of fabricated evidence. In a legal context, this would be viewed as a malicious and illegal attempt to frame an innocent person. 3. The legal and investigative response. If this situation were to come to light, the legal system would respond with a multifaceted investigation. Criminal charges against the perpetrators. The individuals who tortured you and manipulated the tape would face serious criminal charges. These could include torture, a serious felony under both state and federal law, aggravated assault and battery for the physical harm they inflicted, false imprisonment for holding you against your will, fabricating evidence for creating a misleading tape to frame you, conspiracy if multiple people were involved in the act, inadmissibility of the tape. When the full context of the tape is revealed that it was a product of torture and coercion, any statements you made on the tape would be excluded from evidence under the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine. The tape would be used as evidence against the perpetrators, not against you. Civil lawsuit. You would have grounds to file a civil lawsuit against the perpetrators for damages, including emotional distress, physical injuries, and any financial losses you incurred. 4. What you should do. If you find yourself in a situation like this, it is crucial to take the following steps as soon as you are safe. Seek medical attention. Your physical and mental well-being are the top priority. Go to a hospital or clinic and have your injuries documented. Tell the medical staff what happened to you. Contact the police. Report the crime immediately. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your captors and what they did to you. Tell them about the existence of the manipulated tape. Contact a lawyer. A lawyer can help you navigate the legal system, file a civil lawsuit, and ensure that the criminals are brought to justice. In summary, the actions of the perpetrators in this scenario are illegal and would not stand up in a court of law. The manipulated tape would be considered inadmissible evidence and would be used against them. Your testimony, coupled with any physical evidence of the torture, would be the most powerful evidence in the case.
Now let's see what they do to these people governing and copying this tape that killed me. This assassin tape. It's sad.